Well, good morning, everybody, and welcome to another episode of the Cobra Daytona Build. And happy Father's Day to all you fathers out there. And to all you kids out there, make sure you take care of your dads. So, being a father is probably one of the most important things you'll ever do in life. So, definitely put some time and effort into it. It definitely comes way before building a Cobra or a Factory 5 or anything else. That stuff can wait. And that's pretty much what I've done. I've waited for my kids to get older, and now I got the free time. I can do what I'm doing on this channel. So thanks again for watching, and I want to kind of touch on my 5-month update. I know it's about a week past 5 months since I've gotten the car, but I want to show everybody where I'm at, give you a kind of a 5-month synopsis and heads up on the progress we've made. So as you can see, the illuminator is in. It's all plumbed, it's all wired, it's running. Radiator system is all done in, finalized. Oil cooler, power steering cooler, all the suspensions in. I've not adjusted the alignment yet because I'm still waiting to get wheels. That's my big issue. Wheels have been 3.5 months, I believe. I've been told 2 weeks as of 2 weeks ago tomorrow. So I'm going to email the guy tomorrow and say, hey, it's been 2 more weeks, so where are they? So hopefully they'll show up. Exhaust is on. It said this thing has had the first start. Brakes are bled. Clutch is going. I've actually fitted one of the doors the other day. Didn't put it on video, but the whole dash interior is all done. The whole center console, this is going to be carpeted. Waiting on a aluminum billet cup holder for there. I'm not sure what I'm going to do for trim ring there. I may actually make an aluminum billet one. But other than that, we're looking pretty good. Rear suspension's in. I've actually got the tires. Those are the rears, 335s. Fronts came in the other day. Those are 275s. So we're looking pretty good. Let's see, fire system is in. The whole car is pretty much ready to go-kart if I had some wheels. So yeah, we could actually be driving this thing around the neighborhood right now and then try to avoid the police because they don't take kindly. I'll have to tell you about my Cobra experience going to get gas in the go-kart stage like this. I took a bunch of grief from Highway Patrol. Didn't give me a ticket, but basically said, get it home. So let me go out and show you what I've done on the body, and then you'll be all up to date. So the body is, sorry for the mist out here this morning. The body's pretty close to prime. It said the filler's all in. It's pretty smooth. I found a couple little issues last night that I'm going to work on. The underside's been bed lined. The underside of the nose has been bed lined. I haven't really started the body work here, but I did find a little issue right up into here where it kind of has got an edge, and I got to float that a little more and feather it on over. But as you can see, it's getting pretty close. So hopefully have this thing in primer. I was going to do it today, but I don't think it's going to happen on Father's Day. And then we'll start on the nose once this gets mounted and out of the way. So I think that's my progress to date. As I said, we're getting closer. It's definitely going to slow down now. There's going to be a lot more detail work. Like just getting the windshield in. Never done one of those before, so we'll all learn together on that one. But appreciate you tuning in on this Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to everyone. I'm actually going to upload this thing today, even though I did put a fuel system video up yesterday. I just want to get this up and wish everybody happy Father's Day, and hope it's a good one for you. So thanks again for watching. Appreciate it. Have a good one.